Classy Leaves Bathroom Light Fixtures. The Classy Leaves Bathroom Light Fixtures, in its matte black color, exudes an unmatched elegance that effortlessly enhances any bathroom space. Crafted with high-quality materials such as glass and metal, this fixture combines durability with a sleek and modern design. One of the standout features of the Classy Leaves Bathroom Light Fixtures is its style, which perfectly blends modern aesthetics with farmhouse charm. This versatile design ensures that it can easily complement a wide range of bathroom decor styles, making it a great choice for anyone seeking a stylish lighting solution. The vanity light fixture form of the Classy Leaves Bathroom Light Fixtures offers a practical and functional lighting solution for any bathroom vanity. With multiple light bulbs elegantly positioned on a sturdy metal frame, it provides ample illumination for grooming tasks while adding a touch of sophistication to the space.